Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see equivalent fractions. So what is equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are fractions that have different numerators and denominators but are equal in value. Okay. So this is equivalent fractions. Today we will see this. Quick drill. Observe the colored parts and write the equivalent fractions. 1 by 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. 2 by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 by 12. Okay. Next B, 2 by 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 by 12. Understood? This is a equivalent fractions. Okay. Next comes to practice 2. Color the parts to represent equivalent fractions. 1 by 3. 2 by 6. 2 by 4. 4 by 8. 1 by 3. 2 by 6. 5 by 10. 1 by 2. So this one is 1 and this one is 2. One group of 5 is 1 and this one is 1. So you have to color full this. It indicates 1. Okay. Understood? Next, 4 by 12. One by 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 set. First 1 by 3 means we have to color one set. Okay. Two by 6. Understood? Next. Observe the colored portions and write the equivalent fractions. One, two, three, 4. 2 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. Next B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 8. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? This is about the equivalent fractions. Tomorrow we will see finding equivalent fractions by multiplication and by division. Okay? Thank you.